Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to update Monster Hunter World. Keeping the game updated is important for bug fixes, balance changes, and online compatibility. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Find Monster Hunter World in your game list. Steam usually updates the game automatically. If it does not update, right-click the game. Select Properties, then go to the Updates tab. Make sure automatic updates are enabled or select immediately download updates. This ensures that your game will be updated right away. You can also restart Steam to force pending updates to start downloading. And that's how to update Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.